Today I want to share with you some interesting facts about a board game that you probably have never heard about before. I hadn't heard about it until I started my international games newsletter research. It's called Nine Men's Morris, and it's a board game similar to the look and feel of a small chessboard. It is one of the oldest games in history, dating back to 1400 BC. There is no direct accountability of its country of origin. There have been several documented sightings all over the world, from an early diagram of the game in an Egyptian temple to here in the southern states of the United States among the Zuni and other Indian tribal artifacts. What I was most fascinated about this game was its reference to a Shakespearean play, A Midsummer Night's Dream. In Act 2, Scene 2, it comments that the Nine Men's Morris is filled up with mud. This passage is cited as evidence that this game was once played outdoors and popular among commoners. It's a two-player game with 23 pieces played on a board with concentric circles, squares of increasing size. The center square is known as the mill, which is in ancient Celts believed to be sacred. After the coin toss, players take turns moving their pieces to vacant points on the board. The strategy is in placing your pieces to block your opponent from creating a string of three pieces on a line. This is what is called creating a mill. The first player to get their opponent down to two pieces or block their opponent from making any legal moves is the winner. Nine Men's Morris is more about a problem-solving process and encompasses logical thinking, strategizing, and being able to visually anticipate your opponent's moves. I equated this board game with the strategy of patience of playing backgammon, chess, or checkers. I found it challenging to play, leaving me with a desire to do better the next time. The best part is that it's portable and it fits in my bag. It can also be downloaded on an app. When you click here, you have an opportunity to see it being played.
Welcome, problem solvers, to the amazing game Nine Men's Morris. In this game,
the next link that I'm going to take you to is Game Crafter's homepage. This is the original homepage for Nine Men's Morris, where you can read about the history, the explanations, rules, strategies, and all the variants. On the left, it also has a listing of all the games that you've ever heard about. This is a great website for information. The next one you're going to click on is my iMovie commercial that I made for this game. Enjoy. Next, I'm going to have you click on Anna's Adventures. This is another website, History of Fun, where you can read more information on the game. But the fun part is you can print a playing board for yourself. All you need are some checkers, some marbles, some tiddlywinks, anything flat, and you can experience the game for yourself. I hope you've had fun, and thanks for listening.